Okay, general math. This is actually just a tutorial on how to solve number 1 for the homework. This is going to give you an idea of how to address system of equations elimination when we already have a zero pair. If I look at this equation, I'm going to look straight down. I have my x and my y. I'm going to see which one is a zero pair. I'm going to circle my x because when I add -4 and +4 together, it's going to give me 0. That will cross out. So I'm going to add straight down. -2 and +8, I actually subtract because one's positive and one's negative. And I'm going to get 6y equals, and I'm going to add these two negatives together. It's not multiplication rule, so it's not negative equals a positive. It's -12 plus -24 equals -36. I'm going to do inverse operation and divide on each side. Now it's multiplication and division rules. I'm going to get -36 divided by 6, and I'm going to get -6 for y. That is only one of the variables. I have two. I need an x and I need a y. I can choose any one of these equations to plug in my y. So I'm going to choose the top one. -4x minus 2y equals -12. -4x minus 2. Now I see y. I'm going to plug in my -6. The plug-in is the part that students get confused. Whatever you solve for here, I solve for y, that's where I put the 6, okay? Because my answer is here. I solve for one of them. I'm going to bring down the -4x because I'm not using it. -2 times -6 is going to give me positive. Negative times negative. 2 times 6 is 12. Equals -12. This is a two-step equation right here. I'm going to do the inverse operation on each side, which -12. That gives me the zero pair to cross out here now. Bring down -4x and -12 plus -12. We're adding negatives together again, and I'm going to get -24. The inverse is divide by negative. You have to watch these negatives. The reason why you want to watch your integer rules is that can mess up your whole equation. Negative divided by negative is going to be a positive, so my x will be positive. 24 divided by 4 is 6. I cannot leave my answer this way. I must write it as an order pair. X goes first, which is 6. Y goes second, which is -6. Remember to open up your reference book, look up integer rules. If you're subtracting or adding different signs, look up the rule. If you're multiplying or dividing when you get here, look up the rule. Okay? Go ahead and complete 2 and 3 for homework.